Greetings to everyone. So first, welcome to our video. This time we'll be learning how to make to create objects using shapes. So I'll be bringing in a photo. We'll be touching this night, which won't take us, let's say, 5 minutes. So I'll be so fast. So normally this image is normally used as background, sorry, is normally used as location. So we are going to try and make something exactly at this form. So doing this, you have bring in the image we want to design. So the background itself, you are going to give it a size. Every design has a size of background. So the background we use here, we normally call it a kind of mini envelope size or envelope size itself. So but here what we used was envelope size. So let's look for it and see if we'll be able to get it. Not that using this background you cannot get it. You can get it. It's very possible for you to get something like this, and most of the time it's even better for you to use something like this in designing. Then later you can reduce the size, and then screenshots, then you get what you want. Is still okay. Okay, let's say we'll be working with this background. The first thing we have here, we have to bring in here is what our circle. So add now a circle. Hope you observe what I did. Add now a circle. We'll go to shape. Click on this arrow. Then bring in circle. Now we have two circles here. Notice it. We have two circles here. The first one has a yellow color. So we bring in the one of yellow color. Then we'll bring another shape in again. A circle shape too. Reduce it. Once you reduce it, you reduce the opacity completely, so we can use a stroke to get what we are looking for. So the more you increase a stroke, that's the more the thickness gets. So let's use 5 stroke here. I think 5 is better, so let's go with 5 stroke is okay. So I'm rushing everything for time. So let's bring this to the center using relative position. So you have brought it to the center, then click on this one, also bring it to the center, too. So our designer is on center. Now what do? I've taught you guys about merging is an aspect where you pair two images or objects together. So that's what we are going to do here. We want to pair the center one and the round one. We want to pair them together. So how do we do this? For us to be able to do this, you will just click here, click on the objects you want to merge. So these are the two objects we want to merge. Click here, no, click here. Yeah, after selecting the object, click here. Then you have this question out: are you sure you want to merge the selected object? So you click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will notice that now this thing is only one here. So I will take it here. Now using this thing, what do we call it? Using relative position, you can take this up. Then use position to bring it down a bit. So in case you have any plan of printing it, it won't take the part of the object. So that's why we are bringing it down. So I think this one is okay. Now the first thing you have to bring in here is using shape again. We have to bring in something like a triangular form. Now this triangular form, this is what we will use. We use this one to get what we want so fast. So reduce the size, give it a dark blue color. So let me just select the color from what you already have here. So give it a dark blue color. Now click on go that save, then rotate the triangle using this stuff here. Use it to rotate your triangle. Now bring it here. Now make sure it's also at the center of our background. So just like this one, I believe this one is also at the center, that's why it didn't move. So the triangle too, you have to bring it at the center of the background. Now how do we do this? Using the relative position. Don't forget, bringing it to the background is, you have to click relative position, then come this point to bring it there. So that's what we have here. So what's the next thing we are supposed to do? The next thing to do here, this is the part where you have to be very careful so you get what you are looking for. Look at this thing that has a little curve. So this point that is written mask, some other applications may not give you this particular name. That's why I'm telling you what it is. This sign here that has a curve after, how do I call it? Yeah, something like this. Okay, so click on it. Once you click on it, use your hand to set the particular thing you want to, the particular part you want to cut out. So I think I've set the part I want to cut out. Now save it. Now notice something what we did there. Okay, first of all, let's, what do I do? No, 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 no. Okay, so what do we do here? So after the, I think we are even done. Now out, this is what we are looking for. So just use your position again to set it, bring it up. So just bring it up. Then after this, you can now take it to the back. What did I do? So there is something missing. This is not supposed to be at the back, this is supposed to be at the front. That's to show you have a little work to accomplish using that mask. So to do this, you have to go back to mask, then use the control key. Watch what I'm doing very carefully. Watch what I'm doing very carefully. So I'm trying to make sure that the two angles are pointing at the same place so that we get something accurate. So I want to bring it at the center. So I think something like this is very much okay. For something again, just bring it up. So something like this is very, very wonderful. So let's look at this. You see that these are almost the same thing. So just use your position to make sure that this is here. Yeah, just use your position to make sure this is here. So this is what we have. So you can save your work from here. Let's delete this one, let's take it out. Or if you don't want to take it out, you can just go and hide it using this key here. This key, like, that is like you can just use it to hide it. So let's hide it. Then once we hide it, that's all. You can still click here, click on the three, no, click on these two. If you want to bring your design to the center, just go here, click on relative position, then bring your design here. So that is all for it. Designing is not hard. You have to practice to become perfect in what you are doing. So thanks for watching. So let's save our project first. So we saving as let's say modeling project, modeling project 1. Okay, so I think that's all. Then you can save as image. Always learn this. Use PNG, then go to custom, put it at ultra, then you save your image for you to be able to get a neat work after your design or when you want to send your work to your clients. So thank you very much for watching. I remain blessed.